Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Lukendra Shekhawat. Today we will discuss GST and Direct Taxation paper 11 of Group 2 of CMA Intermediate. Here is two sections. First one is GST and second one is custom. So let me start from GST part first. First question is choose the correct option from the following. First one is renting of marriage hall owned by a trust registered under Section 12AA of the Income Tax Act 1961 is not exempt from GST, where charges are more than 5,000 per day, charges are more than 1,000 per day, charges are more than 10,000 per day. Answer is D, none of the above, because of renting of marriage hall owned by a trust registered under Section 12AA is not liable to tax. Second one is zero rated supply means export of goods or services or both, and supply of goods or services or both to a special economic zone developer or a special economic zone unit. And third one is the period prescribed for issuance of tax invoice in the case of provisions of services is it is generally 30 days from the supply of service, and in case of banking company it is 45 days from the date of supply. Answer is C. Fourth one is annual return shall be filed by every registered person under GST. Answer is A. Fifth one is in the common portal every claim of input tax credit of a registered person shall be credited to. Answer is B, electronic credit ledger. Then match the following. First one is casual taxable person. It is no fixed place of business in a state or union territory. Second one is distinct persons. It is different GSTINs but one PAN. Answer is A. Third one is taxable person under composition scheme. It is quarterly return shall be filed by taxable person under composition scheme. Fourth one is sale of building. Fourth one is sale of building. It is non-taxable supply. Answer is B. Fifth one is interest on loan and advances. It is exempt supply. Answer is C. Then true false. First one is under GST the phrase aggregate turnover includes exempt supply also. It is true. Second one is a person can issue normal tax invoice in respect of supplies which were suppressed by him and directed by the GST officers subsequently. It is false. Third one is GST is payable once registered. GST is payable once registered even if the turnover is less than the prescribed limit. It is true. Fourth one is a registered person under GST law gives a free spoon along with every soap purchased. This is a case of composite supply under GST law. It is false because of it is a mixed supply, not of composite supply. Because here there is no principal supply exist. Fifth one is buying and selling of second-hand goods is not subject to GST. It is false. It is subject to GST. Then filling the blanks. First one is in case of death of a taxpayer, dash can request for cancellation of registration. Legal hire can request for cancellation of registration. Second one is gift exceeding 50,000 in value in a financial year by an employee to employee shall constitute supply of goods or services or both. Then third one is toll receipts from highway of Coimbatore or to Walgett is 60 lakh and commission earned on toll receipts is 6 lakh. The value of taxable supply will be it is 6 lakh toll receipts. Fourth one is in case of supply of goods by composite dealer, the registered person shall issue bill of supply. Fifth one is R has registered business of supplying toys in Jammu and Kashmir. He is required to obtain registration if his aggregate turnover during a financial year exceeds 20 lakh. So this is part A, GST. Second part is custom. Customs first MCQ is: when the goods are sent from custom station for warehousing, proper officer shall affix dash on the container. It is one time lock. Answer is B. Then second one is: in case actual insurance charges are not known, insurance charges to be added with a FOB value to arrive at the assessable value is. Answer is C. It is 1.125%. Third one is: under section 46(1) of Customs Act 1962, an importer shall present the bill of entry before the end of dash following the day on which the aircraft, vessel, vehicle carrying the goods arrived at the custom station. It is answer is A, 1 day following the day. Fourth one is: all goods, derelict, jetsam, flotsam, and wreck brought coming into India shall be dealt with as if they were into India imported. It is answer is B. Fifth one is: as per section 231, person in charge means vessel master, train conductor, guard, vehicle driver. It is all of the above. Answer is D. So this is GST paper MCQ analysis. Thank you for watching. If you like this, share and subscribe my channel and like this video.